Yo, what's good? What's cracking? What's poppin'? Everybody, my name is AJ. We back for another video today. Got this quick little video on a new brand that I wanted to show y'all. Called Broken Baby. So here go the bag. They just had a little pop-up shop yesterday, and some of my homies are basically promoting it. So I figured I'd stop through. You know what I'm saying? Show some love. So I picked up this shirt and it's pretty cool. So I'll put it on so y'all can see, but they got a bunch of cool stuff, you know what I'm saying, that you can shop for. So if you're looking for a new brand to cop from, go ahead and check out Broken Baby. Go ahead and take this as a package. You know what I'm saying? We got the little card, you know what I mean? Broken Baby. Real easy on the back. We got all the information, so you know what I'm saying, y'all can hit them up. Go ahead and shop, you feel me? None of their stuff is too crazy overpriced. Actually, it's really affordable. And it seems to be pretty good material. So here goes the black shirt. You know what I'm saying? You got the Broken Baby and the camo right there. It's like camo and lightning type. And then down the side you got like little stripes with the broken heart, which I think is cold, you feel me? It's kind of like off-white vibes type. So yeah, they got a whole bunch of different stuff, like I said. This shirt was $25. But like their t-shirts be like $10-15, so you can't really go wrong there. So yeah, if you're looking for a new brand to cop from, go ahead and check out Broken Baby and go support, you know what I'm saying, your local black businesses, you feel me? Can't go wrong. But yeah, man, that pretty much wraps this video up. I just want to make this quick video, you know what I'm saying, show y'all this. Like I said, try to put these little brands on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video at any point, drop a like. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Trying to get to 1.5 thousand subs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Remember to follow me on the gram, AJ Hollins with a Z, and hit them up on the gram. You see Broken Baby Apparel. Simple as that. Till the next video, y'all be smooth, y'all be easy. I'm out.
Yeah.